Hi everyone, thanks for visiting Rapid Resizer. I'm Melissa, and this week I tried the technique of using an iron and a heating tool to transfer images from a laser jet printout. I use these to make some Halloween signs, and here's how you can make some too. Go to Rapid Resizer and click on Choose File. I'm choosing an image I downloaded from Pixabay. I like this image, it has a lot of different bats on it. If you're using the free version of Rapid Resizer, then just print on one page. If you're a paid subscriber of Rapid Resizer, then you can print across 2 pages like this and make the bats as big as you want, or print across as many pages as you like. I'm just going to be printing on 1 page today. Normally for transferring images to wood, you would have to mirror the image, make it backwards. Because there aren't any words in this image, then I'm just going to print it as it is. You can click on Fit Page and then hit Print. I'm also going to print another image using the Letter Stencil maker. For this one I'm going to type the words Happy Halloween and use our Halloween fonts. Go to the Novelty tab under Fonts. I'm just using Henny Penny Regular for this, and then go down to Options, click on Outline Thickness, and then you can make the letters as dark as you like. So the most important thing is to mirror the design. So click here on Mirror and click on Apply Changes. And again, if you're using the free version of Rapid Resizer, then you can print this on 1 page. If you're a paid subscriber, you can print across as many pages as you like. And I'm ready to hit Print. If you try this craft, it can't be done with a copy from an inkjet printer, it has to be from a laser jet printer. Take the paper down on one side so you can lift it to see if the image transferred. You can always go over any spots that still need ink. I'm using a round flat attachment that came with my wood burning tool. Once it heats up, rub it on some wood to cool it off a bit so it doesn't burn the paper. Then apply some pressure and use circular motions. Then I tried using a regular clothing iron to make these crows. The image didn't transfer quite as well as it did with the heating tool. If I'd put a sealant on it, the color would have been more vivid. You can also add detail with other art mediums like paint or markers. This was a quick and easy way to make some Halloween art, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please comment below if you have any questions, and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Thanks for watching!